This is a card website. I built it and it took me exactly one afternoon. Figuring out what to say used to take longer than that, but with AI, we can skip the writer's block. By the end of this video, you'll have a live professional website, no coding and dirt cheap. Here's what we're building: a homepage, an about section, a work with me page, a content hub, and a contact page. Card does one thing: simple single page or section sites, and that's its superpower. Publish a website for free or upgrade to Pro for $19 per year. This is less than what most website builders charge per month. Pro lets you connect a custom domain and unlock the forms, embeds, and premium templates. It's one of the best deals out there. Let's dive in. Follow the link in the description below to head over to Card, then click Choose a Starting Point. You don't need to create an account yet. Card lets you build the entire site first, and you only sign up when you're ready to hit publish. You'll see templates for profiles, landing pages, and portfolios. There's also the option to build entirely from scratch with a blank canvas. But the category we want is right here, sectioned. Even though Card builds one-page sites, section templates only show one section at a time, so it feels exactly like navigating a traditional multi-page site. Click a button and a new section appears. Click back and you're home. I'll select this template for today's video. It is a premium template. If you select a premium one, Card asks if you'd like to start a 7-day pro trial. Pick the layout that fits your business needs, and we'll customize it. Welcome to the editor. Before we start clicking around, I want to show you the exact workflow I use to fill out this entire site in minutes using a simple AI cheat code. Every website needs great copy: your headline, your bio, your offer, your navigation buttons, all of it. If you sit down and stare at a blank page writing this from scratch, you'll waste hours of your time. To completely bypass this, we created a free AI prompt to do the heavy lifting for you. The prompt was designed specifically to help you map out your entire website blueprint. It'll help you select your brand colors and fonts, create a logo, choose your pages and sections, give you a list of photos you need, and write your entire site's copy. Grab it for free by following the link in the description below. Today I'm using this exact prompt inside Claude. I'll take a screenshot of each section of Card, feeding it to Claude alongside the prompt. It'll hand back copy tailored to your business and the visual layout from Card. Let me show you what this looks like in action. We'll start with the hero section. That's just the first thing people see when they land on your site. Mine needs two things: my name and a clear line that tells people exactly what I helped them with. From Claude, copy the headline and the one-liner that's generated for you and paste them in the text fields. If you like, you can drag and drop a logo or photo in this box, but I'm just going to delete it. On section templates, these buttons take the visitor to the selected section and hide the others. Next, we'll go to the About section. I'm going to change this to just About instead of About Us. Now, this section is doing more than just introducing you. It's qualifying your visitor. Think of it as a "is this you" moment. When the right person reads it, they'll think, yeah, this is exactly what I need. That's when you want a call to action. I want to collect their email so I can stay in touch with them. I'll add a button prompting them to sign up. Let me add a text box above explaining why they should sign up. Looking for clarity on where you want to go? Here's a guide on how to build your future self. I'll add a button, center it, and then I'll change the text to "get the guide." If the text gets cut off a bit, you can go to the appearance panel and adjust the width to make the button wider. You don't need a separate landing page for your button. It can link directly to a sign-up form or another section on the same page where they'll drop in their email. I'll leave it as is for now. Then head back to Claude, grab your bio, and paste it right in. I'd read over everything in case you want to make any tweaks. AI, like all of us, can make mistakes. Now for your photo. Click the placeholder, hit upload, and choose a clean headshot or a professional-looking photo. My team didn't like any of my headshots, so they gave me this. It's Pibble. I guess this is a Gen Z thing. I don't really get it, but we're gonna go with it. I've actually got a photo shoot coming up in the next few days to update the website, so real photos coming soon. Anyway, I'll crop it a little to fit the space by clicking and dragging the corner. Here's a quick tip. In the formatting panel here, you can change the positioning settings of an image by clicking the paintbrush icon, scrolling down, and make sure auto is selected for mobile settings. This makes sure the photos are automatically sized properly for mobile devices. I'll add this photo in every empty photo slot to make this easier, but I do a more diverse selection of photos for an actual website. Now navigate to the work section. This is what you offer. This needs to be incredibly clear. I'll make the heading just work, then grab the offer text from Claude and drop it into the text field. To make the navigation work seamlessly, your buttons need to link to the right sections. While it's not the most common thing, you'll want a content section, highlighting content like your podcast, YouTube channel, or newsletter. Let's make one. I want to show my website visitors some of the content I create. So let's create a content section from scratch. Click the plus icon in the top right and select Control. A line labeled section followed by a number will appear at the bottom of your builder. Click and drag this line to go underneath the work section. Card connects pages using hashtags. Click on the new section element to open its properties panel on the left. Just type in the anchor ID of your section, like about or work, and when a user clicks it, Card instantly snaps to that section. I'll rename this one content to match the button link I'll create later on. Drag videos, text, images, or buttons below that green section line. In this case, we're adding videos with video summaries. Anything placed between this section break and the next one will only show when this page is active. I'm going to make 3 separate video elements. Change the type to embed, drop my external links, set the thumbnail to auto, and add their titles. I'll add text boxes like this and put their summaries here. I'll also add the same back button we have on all the other sections that takes the visitor back to the homepage. Click the button and set its URL to home. For fast design adjustments, click on any of your buttons and hit the paintbrush icon again. You can easily toggle between solid and outline styles and adjust the corner radius. Make sure to pick one style and keep it consistent across the entire site to make it look professional. Now, to let users actually get to this page from your home screen, go to your main menu and add a button on your home page. Click on the navigation bar, scroll down, and click Add. Change the label name to Content, and in the URL field, simply type #content. Double check your URL here is the same as the anchor ID of your section, so it'll take the visitor right to the section. I've definitely messed this up before. Now, when the user clicks that button, Card instantly pulls up your content page. Next up, let's personalize the contact section. I'm going to rename Contact Us to Get in Touch. Then in this text box, I'll type something like, have a project in mind or want to work together? Fill out this form below and I'll be in touch shortly. On the thank you page, write a quick confirmation message like, thanks, I'll get back to you within 24 hours. Lastly, make sure the button below takes you back to the home page. Here set its URL to home. This gives your visitors a way to loop back. Your content is locked in, so let's talk about tailoring the design. Card makes it incredibly simple to tweak your look without breaking your layout, but you need to know where the control panels live. To change the background of your entire site, click on your site's background to open the Appearance tab. Under this tab, you can make the background a simple solid color, a gradient, pick one of Card's photos, or upload your own image. If you're changing the color, just click the color square, slide the picker to the shades you like, or paste in a specific hex code. I'm going to choose a photo from the library and adjust the gradient slightly to fit my desired palette. For typography, click directly on any text element. The Properties panel will slide out. Click the paintbrush icon at the top of the panel. To change the font, click the Font drop-down menu. Card has hundreds of Google fonts built right in. If you want to make the text bold or italic, follow the markdown formatting right here. For instance, I can make my name bold by adding 2 asterisks at the beginning and at the end. To change the color, scroll to Color, click the swatch, and pick your primary text color. To adjust the size, use the size slider. You want to adjust your font weight when you need to establish visual hierarchy. Use a heavier weight for your headlines so they instantly grab attention. Keep your body text at regular or medium so it's easy to read. As for line spacing, give your body text more breathing room than you think it needs. If lines of text are too close together, people will skip them. Spacing them out makes your site easy to scan. Before we make the site live, click the phone icon in the top toolbar to review the mobile layout. Card handles responsiveness well, meaning it should show up differently and very well on any device, but a quick visual check ensures text elements look balanced on a mobile screen. Everything looks good. Now let's launch. Click the save icon in the upper right-hand corner. Give your site a clear title and description for SEO purposes, and select Publish to a custom domain. Card, like most website builders, will give you a free subdomain like jjthalen.card.co, but if you want your site to be taken like a serious, legitimate brand, you need your own domain. Buy a domain, pay for a Card Pro plan, and connect it. For our websites, we use and recommend Spaceship. A standard .com domain runs you about $10 a year. If you don't own your domain yet, use our link below to grab one, and let's connect it to your Card site. As I mentioned, you can only connect a custom domain by upgrading Card's Pro Standard plan or starting their free 7-day trial. I highly recommend that you upgrade so you can connect a custom domain and get access to other features. If you go to save and publish your site, there'll be an option listed as Publish to a custom domain. Type in your custom domain here, then it'll generate your DNS records, one A record and one CNAME record. After logging into Spaceship or your domain registrar, Jump over to the account panel. Click here, head to your domain manager, select your domain, scroll down, then click Advanced DNS. Scroll down and under DNS records, hit the plus button. Add your A record at the top of the list. Set the host to @ and then copy the target value from card and paste it in here. Hit save, then create the CNAME record using the exact values card provided. Type in www for the host, then copy and paste the target value. Save your changes, head back to card, and hit publish. Don't worry if it doesn't show up immediately. Your website could take up to an hour to show up on your custom domain. And there it is, your professional website with a custom domain is officially live on the internet. Your business, your story, and your offer packaged on a single URL, all done in a single afternoon. Make sure to grab that free website AI prompt and secure your domain through our Spaceship link so you can get your own site live today. The Pro Card subscription is $19 a year and a custom domain is $10 a year. For less than $30, you can have a premium digital presence. If you haven't already, sign up for both using our affiliate links in the description below. It's a great way to support the channel. If you're still not sure what to include on your site, you can watch our full video on how I use our AI prompt to create a website blueprint. It'll take you less than an hour to create yours. We also have a video on how you can get your professional email up and running using your new domain. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.